Hello everyone, Man of Revit with you, and I will make different types of tutorials about Revit. One tutorial every 2 days, and I hope it be helpful for you. First, I want to just click like and subscribe and share this video. It will help me. First, I will show you how to create levels in Revit. To create levels, you just go to Architecture and go to Datum panel and just go to Levels. Now it's just faded, uh, and this is because we are in the floor levels. Levels, to create levels, we should go to one of these elevations, east or north or south or west. Then we can create levels just by head levels. Now we go to sketch mode. This sketch mode will help me to create levels. We just have two options to create levels. First one is just to draw simple line, and the other one is to pick lines. First one, just to click like so and create levels, and we don't use this because the other option is more simple. It is called pick lines. That means that we will just put an offset, just pick lines, click pick lines, and just put the offset from uh, the last level. So if we want to the level height be 3 meters, so we just click 3 and just begin to click like so. When we saw the this shaded dash line over here, so we just click once. We can change it again to this offset to 4. We can create it like 2.5 and just click again, and etc. etc. So that's the simple way to um, create levels in Revit. To exit from this tool, we just click modify or escape in keyboard. Actually, when we uh, zoom in here, we will find first the name, level 1, and we can change it to just double click here and write what we want. So it will be basement, basement, click enter, and he asked me, would you like to rename corresponding views? And we just click yes. The corresponding view just this uh, levels in the browser. So if we want to uh, just change the name in the here, we just click yes, and if we click no, it will be just change just here. This is the first floor. If we click no, it changed here, but nothing changed here. Sorry about my accent of it. It's bad. I think it will be good with time. Here we can also change it, change the level. So it's 4, For meter, we can make it 3.5, so it's changed automatically. We can also, if we want to delete these levels, we can just drag and select the levels and just hit delete from keyboard. We can just drag and click and delete this levels also from uh, the view. Now, if we want to create other levels, we can just click levels, and here we find create similar. That means we just create the selected object similar to the selected object. If we hit create similar, we go to the sketch mode again. Here, the default options, it checked make plan view. That means that every uh, level I create, it will be a plan right here in the project browser. And here is the offset. Now let's talk about the arrange of the levels. If we just come like so, we to the first point, we will notice that it will automatically align to the other levels. So we can start like so, and we just when we be close to the end, it just aligned automatically to the other part. Now we just click here and we zoom in. We will find this little circle. This little circle, if we drag these levels from this circle, we will find it uh, will drag all the levels here. So we can just modify them all in one step. Now, here also we find uh, this uh, elbow. Elbow mean that if we have this like if we click it, we pick it, pick the line up or down, so we can make it just uh, more clear. To show it, I will delete just this levels and just bring this down by graphic. Now we find that the two levels interact with each other. So to make it clear, we can just add elbow by just click here and then drag this up. So this text will be far away from this text. We can make the same here to make it far and make it clearly to view. We can also drag this like so and drag this also like so. So it will be very helpful to make it notice the line with the upper levels. We can do it like so, and there we go. We now we can add and make these changes to the levels. Here we will find this box. That means if we click OK, we find this circle here like here. And now we just this constraint. That means if we open it and now we drag it, it just change the selected levels, we can just Control Z and lock it again. Uh, I think it's good for this tutorial, and we will talk about levels more and more with uh, next lessons. Thank you for your watch, and I want to please make share, like, subscribe, and this lessons will be have no end. And thank you. Bye bye.